Mark and Kim here on CrossFit 915, and we want to talk a little bit about our pull-up progression that we have planned for you. In this pull-up progression, Kim and I were talking a lot about positioning and why there's so many people that just don't have great positioning. There's so much more to a pull-up than just your big muscles and just pulling power. Kim's going to talk a little bit about the correct positioning and what we're going to do in this program to fix that.
All right, well, first of all, the ideal position for the shoulder blades to be in to execute the pull-up and pull-up-like movements such as muscle-ups and so forth, the scapula has to be set in such a way where the stabilizing muscles hold those scapula into position. So Mark's going to demonstrate the correct position that the scapula needs to be set in order to execute a pull-up correctly. Right through here. See that, how he pulls back a tiny bit? And there's a level plane right through his shoulders here. And you can see that his lats are activated, and if you can look here, the scapula is actually turned a tiny bit. Versus a common flaw, which is to deactivate that scapula set, and from here you have no pulling power. And you're actually very vulnerable to a shoulder injury here. And once again, if he sets that scapula, retracting those shoulder blades, activating these little muscles in here, activating the muscles in here that depress the shoulders. He can even elevate a tiny bit, his whole torso right there, and take that one step further. We're going to teach you guys how to activate those stabilizing muscles in order to be able to execute your pull-up a little bit better.
Cool.